Hello, this is Mr. Stansbury. I'm going to take you through the notes on choosing the appropriate measure. At the end of this, you should be able to say, I can choose the best way to represent the center of a set of numbers. Okay, so we're simply just going to look at some examples here, and that should pretty much take care of us. Okay, so decide which measure, mean, median, or mode, would be best to find the center of the data set. Okay, so salaries of a company's employees. Okay, so we've got 32, 37, 37, 42. So they're all kind of listed up in order here. And then look, you got this 180. So this is obviously like some kind of, compared to the rest of the people, some kind of manager of some sort. So this one here is not going to be a great one to include in that because we could do the mean with the average, but that 180 is going to pull the average way up. Mode is most often. There's a couple of 32, 37s in there. That's probably not super helpful. So I would say probably the median if we were to line these all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's going to be the middle 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be these two averaged out, which should be what, halfway between 44 and 50 would be 47,000. I would say probably the median for that one. That would probably be best. Mean usually works for a lot of things, but with that 180, that's going to throw it off, and mode doesn't seem to really be helpful with that one either. Okay, number of runs scored in a game in a baseball league. So we wouldn't necessarily care what the one that's most often, that I guess wouldn't really make a whole lot of sense, or the middle number really would make a whole lot of sense. We'd probably want to know what the average is of all the runs scored in a baseball league. So really we'd probably just want to do the mean on that one, wouldn't we? Okay, so we would simply add those all up and divide by the total number of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So add them all up, divide by 8, and that will give you the mean. So I'd say that's probably the mean would be the best way to choose best center of the data set would be. Okay, and then C, question on a multiple choice test is analyzed. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4, E is 5. This is the one, especially since you see a whole bunch of 2s in there, this is one that we would really probably be most helpful to find the mode on this one, the one that happens most often. So in case you happen to be guessing, you just really don't know, I would definitely choose B because B is the one that occurs the most often. Okay, that's all there is for choosing the appropriate measure. If you have any questions on this at all, please feel free to ask in class. Thanks.